For nearly 4 decades, one voice has brought Central South Africa together. Broadcasting from our base in Bloemfontein, OFM proudly stands as the region's premier commercial radio station. Van Appington na Vereniging, Klerksdorp na Koelsberg en selfs na die wêreld, vanaf ons sentrale basis in Bloemfontein. Die OFM-uitsaaigebied strek oor 'n enorme oppervlak, selfs groter as die Verenigde Koninkryk. Dis egter klein in vergelyking met die ruim harte van die inwoners van Sentraal Suid-Afrika. Every day, our dedicated team curates the soundtrack to life across the Free State, Northern Cape, Northwest and Vaal Triangle. We're with you from sunrise to sunset, during the school run, at the office, on the open road, keeping you company, lifting your mood, and sharing your moments. We play the music you love, from timeless classics to the freshest hits, and of course, your most treasured requests. OFM keeps you connected to your world, delivering reliable, relevant news and updates that matter, whether you're tuned in on air or streaming online. OFM is meer as net 'n platform. OFM is 'n vriend en vennoot, 'n integrale deel van wat dit beteken om in die wonderlike streek van die hartland van Suid-Afrika te woon. Ons bly die puls van Sentraal Suid-Afrika. Tuned in on you. OFM is always there, always on. OFM, the sound of your life.